What is up, guys? Blim here. We are back with episode 2 of Comment Your Favorite Pokemon, and we use it in the Bdsp ladder. So, just a quick recap on episode 1. So, this was the community post which I shared. Comment your favorite Pokemon. So, whatever Pokemon you guys comment, I'm gonna be using it. So, on the first episode, we had used Kix's Gallade. We had used Asian's Cacturn. We had used Alpha Sandslash. We had used Apraz's Flygun, and we had used Mitchell's Hitmonlee. Lee. Yeah, we had used this 5. So today we are gonna be starting with Spaghetti. Yeah, my guy Spaghetti has said to use a Gallade. So we are gonna be using Spaghetti's Gallade. Then we are gonna be using Tiaroop's Ursaring with Flame of Guts. Yep, we will be using it. Then J00P has told us to use a Jirachi with Calm Mind. Okay, so yeah, we are gonna be using a Calm Mind Jirachi. Then Justin has told us to use a Zangoose. We are going to be using a Zangoose. He has given us the set also. Toxic Offset. But I think Justin, you know what? The industry has got something else for you. I think you will like it. And lastly, to bind the team, we are going to be using Shrikant's Slowbro. Yeah. So yeah, this 5 months we have picked today. And yeah, also guys, I'm going to be using everyone's mon, by the way. Everyone's mon will be used at a certain point. So I've already built the team. I will show every set. And just, yeah, I have used 5 months by you guys, and then I have used a Gliscor to tie up the team because I thought a Gliscor was really needed because I needed Rocks and Defog both. Yeah. So we have Tiaroop's Guts Ursaring, then we have J00P's Calm Mind, Water Pulse, Thunder Jirachi with Substitute. I guess, like, why not? I mean, I can run Wish or something else also, like Protect. Protect can be really cool. Let's run Protect. What's up? Yeah, because to get some HP, I guess. Then we have Spaghetti's Gallade named Ravage Blades. We have that. Then I will show Justin later. Then we have my Gliscor with Earthquake Rock Speed F. We have Shrikant's Fizzdeath Slowbro with Calm Mind. And then we have Justin's Belly Drum Zangoose. Like, why not? We are gonna be using Belly Drum in the Bdsp ladder, and it's gonna be super crazy. So like, why not? You know, guys, let's use the Belly Drum Zangoose. And I don't want immunity, I want Toxic Boost. I want Toxic Boost in case something goes for Toxic on it. Yeah. Belly Drum, Toxic, Quick Attack. Gonna go stupid on the ladder. So it's gonna be a crazy episode, guys. It's gonna be a crazy episode. Also, guys, we are on the road to 5K and uploading 1 to 2 videos a day. The most heated showdown lives exclusive from the industry. You got team building videos, you got showdown lives, you got heat showdown lives, you got serious showdown lives, you got collabs, you got road to top 10, everything one stop shop, guys. Head over to the channel, hit the sub button, and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the video. So without further ado, let's begin today's live. Your favorite Pokemon in the Bdsp ladder part 2. Yep. And why we look for a game, because we're kind of high in the ladder. Okay, let me tell you the synergy, but regardless we got a game, but I will tell you the synergy why we battle. So this team has I made the team up Spaghetti's Ravage and Justin. These two guys are teammates. Spaghetti has Memento Gallade with Scarf and Justin has Belly Drum. So yeah, Ravage is gonna sacrifice himself, Spaghetti is gonna sacrifice himself to give Justin. So soulmates, the actual true soulmates, Spaghetti and Justin. Actual true soulmates. Regardless, story later. First, I think that he might Raptor lead me, so I want to lead up with my Gliscor. He might Raptor Gambit lead me, as I thought. So he's a Raptor. I mean, my Slowbro is really important, but I don't want to go to it because it might like Gambit me, as I said. So I'm gonna get my shits up. Okay, there's some choice card set. Confirmed. It did way too much less to my Gliscor. I can pretty much switch out to my Slowbro to eat the hit. Absolutely chomp it off. It did some good damage though. It didn't chomp it at all. It did some good damage. Okay, it doesn't switch out, I guess. So, I mean, I can like stack off again. Goes to this huge thread, which I don't have a switch in at all. I mean, I can go to my Jirachi. It's not a switch in, it's a offensive Jirachi. I know it's gonna T-Bolt. Look at the damage it did. It just obliterated me. It's choice spec, so I can go to my Gliscor and I can like boost up pretty much. Okay, he goes to one more thread, which I don't have a switch in at all. As I said, I don't have a switch. I think I need chip on this. Is leftovers as well. Perfect. I think Ursaring will die. What can I do? I can go to my Jirachi and try to paralyze it, I guess. Oh my god! Oh, my full para! Okay, J00P has done his job. I think this is in range of everything now. Okay. I think, okay, Spaghetti will revenge this boy. Spaghetti will revenge pretty easily. Oh my god, the special Jirachi is the way to go. Thank god we hit this. Is gonna die. This offensive benefit is gonna die. Now the second threat is the Clef. Like Draco is absolutely free, but I think Gliscor will live one regardless. Oh, this was so not the move. That was so not the move. We can win this match though. If we try, we can win this match. Yeah, he goes that. I think my Calm Mind. How does he beat my Calm Mind slow, bro? How do you beat my... Oh, okay. He beats us because we don't have anything to hit him. That's how he can beat us. Yeah, he taunts us. I mean, it's like whatever. I don't care. Let's go to like Ravage. Let's go to Ravage in case he doubles to the Lati or he doubles to the Chomper. I mean, I'm not worried about you because as I said, I have my... I'm gonna set up... I cannot set up with the Zangoose because he has the Clef. This is Magic Guard. Okay, we can definitely set up on this. But I don't want to play games with this. He goes to the Latios, so okay, he's gonna like Draco me, I guess. I mean, Slowbro won't leave a Draco. I think Blizzcode is the sack here. I thought so. Why isn't he Dracoing though? So one thing I noted that this Clef is like Magic Guard. I don't think Garchomp dies to a quick attack. Let me just make a small calc. Zangoose, Belly-Drum, and I don't think Garchomp dies to a quick attack, but I think we can win this. Garchomp, Oyuso's Dance, like quick attack at +6. It does 70 to 82. Okay, we need some more chip. We need some chip. We need a small hit. Let's go to you. I wanna like knock the Clef off. Get rid of the leftovers of the life of potential. Leftovers. Okay, this might have rocks, but I said I'm not worried. I'm worried about the Calm Mind only. I'm only worried about this. We are faster than this definitely, and this is gonna die. Okay. Now we need a pinch chip on the Chomp. We need a pinch chip on the Chomp. At this point, I think Niarup has done his job. So Niarup, you can rest in a peace. Oh! Niarup said, "I'm not done, Blim. Shut the hell up, Blim. I'm not done." Niarup is telling in my face, "Blim, shut the hell up. I'm not done. What are you even saying? I'm gonna kill the Latios. Then I'm gonna chip the Chomp as well because the Heatran is gonna die. Staraptor will die to recoil, and then Niarup was not done. Let's get the next one. Already fired up. We're already fired up. Let's get the next one. Okay. But a very, very strong team. Okay, so I have to keep my Niarup healthy versus the Crest, or else I'm going to lose to the Crest. Why is there like Latios and Rotom? Huge stress to my team. I will try to get a surprise kill on the Latios, or he leads up with this. I mean, I can knock. I don't want to take a T-Wave though. I want to scout for the T-Wave. I don't want to take a T-Wave. Yeah, thought so. See. I can rock him. Ice Beam won't kill me. Do like 70. 52. Pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. Okay, let me be clear. I'm not gonna let you T-Wave me. You can T-Wave. One thing you can T-Wave is my bro. You can T-Wave my bro. Let's combine him on his face. Now he's kinda... I'm gonna beam him. Beam the Lati. I'm gonna beam the Lati. Who goes to Heatran on a... Who goes to Heatran on a slow, bro? Who goes to Heatran on a slow, bro? What the hell is this guy doing? What the hell is this guy doing though? Okay. Knock this shit off. He goes to Heatran on a slow, bro, and we don't have... We are the shit slow, bro. We are bold beam. We are bold flame slow, bro. We are a shit, bro. Oh god. Who goes to Heatran on a slow, bro? Come on, man. Pump me. Oh, he's offensive. He went for the T-Bolt. He is hella offensive though. But still I want to scout how much it does. Okay, he's roost. He's defensive. Okay. You get stalled out. You're gonna get stalled out. As painful is it to say you're gonna get stalled out. Okay, but now if you be I have to scout with my Jirachi. Okay, he's some defog. Okay. Okay, let's combine on this boy. Let's pulse for some chip. Confuse. Oh! Okay. What? Insult! You insulted me! How dare you? You insult me! How dare you? How dare you insult me? How dare you insult me? Yeah, the Heatran got smashed. I don't wanna like play this game like a fool right now. Because like I can like defog on him. How dare you do that? Yeah, I'm gonna get him up on you. Insult on my face. Heatran got pumped. Heatran got pulsed. Not pumped. He got pulsed. Let's go for one rock. He pumps me. He's gonna stall out. If he tries to pump, he's gonna get stalled out. Yeah, we're chipping the Lati. We're chipping. I don't think you have Ice Beam at all. Ah, I see. What is this? Why is a defog Ice Beam? Why are you a defog Ice Beam Latias? What? Is that a set? What is that said though? When I get impatient, I'm gonna... Okay, I need to chip the D-Knight. D-Knight will just eat my hits. Jirachi, I think I have to combine with the Jirachi and like hope to hit my Thunder on the Azu. I'm gonna get big on him. Why is the Ice Beam? What is this set? Ice Beam Defog Lati with life. What is this set though? Yeah, I pulsed the hit run. I pulsed it. Definitely I'll click the pulse here. Oh, he's slower than he's slow as shit. Okay, sorry, he went for the roar. He's gonna like, I need chip on you to win with my my Justin. So yeah, my Justin, my Justin. Okay, I wanna like pulse for some chip. Okay, DD's up. Oh, he's like a stupid bulky D-Knight. I know I will miss it though. I knew I'm gonna miss it. So I'm gonna keep my Jirachi as a sack. Beam this boy. Oh, he's not gonna kill me. And slow bro. Please hit this. Slow bro. Okay. Yeah, this was tough. I think we lost. Time to pack our luggage and yeah, time to pack the luggage. Or we can like hope to be faster in Memento. Yeah. I think what roll was this? 55. 51, 55. What? I would have switched out, sacked my Jirachi and bought my bro. But okay, let's get the next game. Yeah, let's get the next one. Yeah, let's get the next one. If I knew it was some roll, I mean I could have easily like, yeah. But if I hit that Thunder, we 100% won. Okay. So we got this kinda like I think it's a Scam lead hyper offense. I think I will lead up with the Jirachi. Yeah. Let's get the confusion on this boy. Oh, nice. Please hit and die. Yeah, perfect. He goes to the Gengar. I have a switch in for you. I don't have a switch in for you. I want to go for the para. Yeah, it doesn't kill me. And he's going to get paralyzed for sure. Yep, I knew it. So, like, I can, like, Water Pulse and para fusion him. Yeah, I want to para fusion him. Yeah, exactly. Let's pulse him. Oh, yeah. Lead Jirachi. Destroyed Scam, destroyed Guard. Still Justin hasn't come out this game. Justin will come out. Justin will come out in the right moment. Justin will come out. He goes to the Gliss. I can protect up pretty easily. Earthquakes me. Hope you are not knock. Of course, he is stupid knock. I mean, I don't give a shit on you SDing up. Because you're gonna die. I mean, you take good damage, not die, you take good damage. Or you die, or you absolutely get destroyed. I have flamethrower for you. In case you want to do that, something like that. In case. Thanks for the thumbnail! Oh my god, let's get him banned. Oh my god, live salt. Yeah, the bro went stupid on him. Bro went absolutely stupid on him. Oh my god. Can't accept. Done. Let's wait for this game to finish and let's get this thumbnail. He got absolutely 6-0. He got destroyed absolutely. Jirachi was stupid on him. Come on, man. I bet this was a kid. He got absolutely destroyed. I should have said like extremely profane username. The username is so profane. Get this thumbnail real quick. Nice. And now let's get back to the he got smashed by Combined Waterfall Jirachi. Okay. Oh god. Oof. I love when these kids give thumbnails. Okay, this is like, he has like 6 priority mons and an Infernape Rocker. I believe it's an Infernape Rocker. I'm pretty sure it's an Infernape Rocker. So I want to keep my Gallade. I want to get up my shits if possible though. If possible. Ursaring is gonna be useless. But if I get up rocks, it's gonna be amazing. What I will try to. It's tough, but it's gonna be amazing. He has like, what is this team though? He has like 6 priority mons. What? I mean, he thought that let me play some Bdsp, give me 6 priority, and what is this bullshit? I mean, it's very strong versus us. Don't get me wrong. It's very strong because Justin is not gonna come out this game as well. Yeah, see, live locked, live locked. Yeah. Let's save this as well for the thumbnail. You guys are so awesome. Come on, man. I love all the guys who are sub to me and comment and all do watch my videos. Love everyone so much. You guys helped me get these amazing thumbnails. Yeah. Thanks a lot, guys, everyone. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna taunt me. Or he doesn't. Taunt me, dude. Taunt me. What the hell are you doing? You should taunt me. Can't you see I'm wrong? Okay, he made an incorrect play. Okay, that was the best case. That was the best case scenario. Yeah. My bro is gonna be the extremely key. What is U-turn over itself, bro? What is this? God, I don't want to live anymore. We have sneak. Okay. He took the correct way. He approached the correct way. He totally was on the correct way though. Yeah, because he's gonna do this and he's gonna sweep me. I don't think Justin, do you do 20% to an Azu? Justin. Okay, Justin does 21 to 25. Okay. Good, Justin, good. I want to keep my Gliscor. I want to sack. Yeah, Noob isn't doing anything this game. Yep, Justin, my boy, is gonna kill him. What? Justin, my boy, save me. Justin, my boy. Thank God we have belly shop. Justin, my boy. And now I think I just need to, keep my Gallade healthy. He's gonna SD up on me and thrash me. But I'm gonna get some CC chip. How much does CC do more or +6 quick attack do more? Screw it. Oh my god, he did a lot of damage. Yeah, he's gonna SD, he's gonna BP me. Then I kill it off with my Jirachi. Do I keep this though? I definitely keep my Gallade for the Breloom. I want to keep my slow blade deals with the D-Knight and the Lucario. And my Gliscor looks absolutely useless. Not absolutely useless, it might help me versus the... why do I need my Zangoose though? I need just to get some quick attack damage. Chip damage. And this life orb, I think. Yeah. We can kill it up with a Jirachi. I want to pulse its face. It did a lot of damage, but it's gonna die. We are faster than Luke. I don't think we are that much unlucky to lose to a Luke when we have a bro. We shouldn't lose to the Breloom because I have a Gallade at full. He has to SD up to +4 to kill me with life or Mach Punch. He has to SD to +4 and I don't think we can allow that. Jirachi will pretty much... What's the Luke? Let's thunder this guy. Once. Okay, thank God he close combat. Yeah, that's the best case scenario. He close combat. I can pretty much go to you and flamethrower you. Go for the SD or something. Go to the Breloom. He should always sack the Infernape. Okay. I absolutely cannot sack my... it's gonna be tough versus the Breloom. It's gonna be tough. Does he SD? What does he do here? If he spores, I can be in trouble if he spores. Okay, thank God he spores. Okay, I can Earthquake. Just do an SD to +6. I know you're gonna SD, but don't do to +6. I can't switch. I cannot switch. Okay. Don't SD again though. Don't SD again. Don't SD up again. Thank goodness. Kill, please die. Gliscor, I need you to die. Gliscor, I need you to die. If he SDs, we lose. Thank goodness. Yeah. Thank goodness. Oh my god, Justin saved my back. Justin saved my back. So I think, yeah, we can pretty much wrap up this game. Or he sacks the Luke. He wants to keep the Breloom. I understand it's a very wise decision to keep the Breloom. I mean, like, if he outrages me, if he's a choice banded outrage, I kind of lose. Please be like DD. Please be DD. Are you actually choice banded though? You choice banded. If this choice banded outrage, then I lose. I can't do anything. I can't stay with Gallade. I cannot stay with Gallade at all. Oh, thank goodness it's DD. Thank goodness it's DD. Don't be Yache though. Is this Yache? Oh, thank goodness. It was Lum, I guess. Yeah. I don't think we are unlucky to give him like +4 tons of sleep. Yeah. I think Ravage Blades. Okay. Ravage Blades should clean this up. In case he's scarred. Oh, no, he's not scarred because he went for the SD. So Ravage, what do you want to do? Ravage, what do you... Okay, let's do one thing. If... okay. Let's click Peach. Let's not reveal the jab. I think that's the best case. Let's not reveal the jab. Okay, yeah. I still wanna like keep Shadow Sneak, but yeah, this was a good game though. This was a GG. Very good game. Very good game. So yeah. Okay, so let's get the next game. How much are we at? Let me just quick look. How much are we at? We are at 21. Okay. Okay, so we got an Azelf. I wanna, you know what I'm gonna do? I so badly wanna like set up with my Justin. Okay, I think it's an Azelf fleet. I mean, I can't do anything versus the Azelf. I mean, we have to... Okay, leads up with a Cruel. I mean, it's not the end of the world. He might knock. I think he's knocking me here, right? I think I can go to my bro. He should switch out here, right? He should switch out. But is he knocking me? Is he scalding me? Like, what is he doing here? Okay, he goes to this. I mean, like I can... Yeah, let's get my orb activation first. I mean, priority. He goes to Weave, which I don't have a switch in at all. My Slowbro will leave a throat chop pretty easily. He crashes, okay, not the end of the world. Like, I can like flamethrower. Okay, nice play. He knocks my orb off. I thought so this might have knocked. I can like get him up. Goes to his Gliss. So, I mean, it's not the end of the world. I can like... Shall I throw a very strong Facade? I think I'm gonna do that. He defogs. Okay, let's throw this very strong Facade. Wow. Disrespect. Is he gonna roost? Yeah. I think Facade will blow this back. Oh my god. I don't think he can kill us. I need chip on the scissor though. I don't want to sack this one. Scalded like... Are you beam though? He's a slow Cruel. I wanna defog these rocks away. Let's roost up. He went for the spin, but I wanna get him up. Now he should spin and I kill him off. Yeah, nice. Okay, so he goes to his Azelf. I'm not sure what to expect from this. He might like ball me, or I think I'll go to my U. Oh, okay. No, this is not a problem though, because I have Ravage to revenge it. Ravage will revenge. I think at this point of time I say goodbye to my Gliss. Ravage shall revenge. So he's a nasty plot Azelf, which is very, very scary. Nice Ravage. I need some chip on this Shidzer. Oh, nice. Yeah, GG. GG, bro. Okay, so yeah, we are very high on the ladder with you teams. So let's now at this game, whatever happens, I'm gonna click the memento and I'm gonna go for the belly drum with Justin here. Let's show the partnership of Spaghetti and Justin. Yeah, I mean, all mons are putting in so much work. All mons putting in so much work. Yeah. Okay, this is definitely not Justin's game. Not Justin's game. So, how do I want to lead off? Let's kill the Espion. Let's just kill the Espion. That's the best lead. Kill the Espion. I think it's a like stored power Lathi. It's gonna be very scary though. Oh, yeah. Yo! Spaghetti going stupid on the ladder. Everyone going stupid on the ladder. Everyone. Go to the Gengar. He's thinking like, who's this noob? He goes to the Gengar. I don't think Gallade dies to a Shadow Ball. Oh my god. Okay, now we Memento. Now we Memento. Please, please, please. God, please let me get a Memento up and let me belly drum with my Zangoose. Please, God. But it won't kill the Gliscor. Lucario can't do Jag versus me. We have one of the best checks to Lucario. If I combine, I kind of win, but if I combine, I straight up win if I combine. But you know what? I'm gonna go to Ravage. I'm gonna like Memento on the Latias, and I'm gonna belly drum up with Justin. Or he doesn't switch though. Oh, he's a damn demon! What is this guy doing? Oh my god, what is this guy doing though? Yo, the paralyzed this boy. What is this guy doing? He SD'd up on my slow bro. You can't touch my slow bro. What? I do a crunch cardio. Oh, okay, now you die. Or unless this is like, no freaking way. This is Sash. No freaking way. No freaking way. Oh my god, what are we facing right now? What is this bullshit? But it did 0 damage though. Why would you run a Sash Lucario? Why a Sash Lucario, dude? I sacked my Jirachi for no reason though. Absolutely no reason I sacked my Jirachi. Why would you run a Sash Lucario? You miss out kills on everything. Don't run guys Sash Lucario. You're gonna miss kills on everything. You're not even gonna kill a Clef. Yeah. What? I just now shot Flamethrower, dude. I just now shot Flamethrower. Okay, it's Choice Bandit. Confirmed. Okay, Choice Bandit not a threat at all. You are no threat. You are no threat. But actually it's a threat though. It's a low-key threat. I mean... You actually scarfed. I guess we'll find out what this is. Choice Bandit shit, sir. So I'm pretty sure we haven't disconnected. Yeah. So he's taking his time. He's thinking. I mean, if he's SD Gliscor, we kind of lose. Don't think it should be SD though. I think it should be like rocks or something. Oh, this is the best case scenario. I'll get my homies up. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, this is gonna drop dead. This is gonna get destroyed. He's gonna get absolutely destroyed. Okay. Okay, I didn't expect you to be a SD Gliscor though, but yeah, we don't have a matchup for you. I mean, I had my bro, but I didn't expect it to. I expected it to be a SD. So only one play I can. Only one play. Only one play. Buddy, you have to live this. You have to live up. I hope he chokes and goes for the. Hope he chokes and goes for the SD. I can hope. Please go for the SD. Nope. And it's game. Okay, but Justin, don't worry, Justin. I mean, yeah, we try to set up Justin, but this game will set up Justin no matter what. But Justin, you aren't doing anything this game because he has a clef. He has a tank. Oh my god, how do I break him though? How the hell do I break him? With Ursaring, only Ursaring. Only one more can break it. There is Ursaring. Okay. He's gonna lead off with his knockoffer. I'm pretty sure he's gonna lead off with a knockoffer. So I think I wanna get my scarf knock off as well. Let's get you knocked. Knock me off. Give me the boost. Nice. Now we can like... Wanna click knock again? Okay. I wanna CC his face. I wanna keep for memento. Get him up. I wanna keep the memento. Yeah, he goes for the knock. I think he's defog as well. I'm gonna double to my glitch score and I'm gonna get it up again. I'm gonna get it up again. He goes to the Blissey. Get him up. Yeah. I wanna switch. I'm gonna get him up. Why do every day last game we'll get a stall? As I said, I'm pretty sure we have more PP. I'm pretty sure we have more PP. I am 200% sure we have more PP. I am 200% sure we have more PP. And even if you have Ice Beam, you shouldn't kill me. Okay. I mean... Oh, we are in trouble. I don't care if he burns me. I do not care. Absolutely don't care if he burns me. Let him set up his combine. Just don't go for the toss though. Please don't go for the toss. Okay, nice. Let's SD up on his face. Facade. Die. I want to chip. I want to chip. I want to chip you. I want to chip you really bad. Oh my. I will get a hit off on you. I will, regardless, I'll get a hit off on you. Oh my. Okay, Justin! Okay, Justin. It's time for Justin, I guess. Justin has to do work. I need chip on the... Okay, let's play this game patiently. Yeah. I think Justin might do this though. Okay, I don't want to take a knockoff. One more thumbnail. I'm gonna keep earthquaking. And he let him keep draining. I don't care. As I said, this is knock, right? Yeah, it is like 100,000 knocks. Let's defog. We don't have a standard team, you idiot. We don't have a standard team. Look at our team. We have a Combine Jirachi. We have an Ursaring. We have a Battlegrounds Zangoose. We have a Gallade. What do you think? We don't run standard. I mean, not all. We run standard, but not always. At least this team is not standard. He must be crazy. This command. Oh, it's some nonsense. You should SB up here. I want some chip on you. Oh yeah. Definitely I want chip on you. But do I win though? Do I win? Commit. I'm gonna commit. I'm gonna commit. Quick attack is... Oh my god. I have to quick attack. Yo! Justin! My boy Justin! Oh wow, we played this masterfully! Oh! Yo! You have to leave a like for this, guys. You have to leave a like for this. I can't accept this. You watch this. If you watch this and you don't leave a like, I'll be very, very sad, guys. I'll be very sad if you don't leave a like for this. We destroyed a 1591 rated stall player. Justin! I hope. Okay. Guys, you have to leave a like, guys. I won't accept any dislikes on this video, especially. Guys, get this to 200 likes. This video deserves minimum 200 likes. Minimum. I hope. Yeah. Let me just recap what happened. Let me just recap. Not only did we put work with everyone, we got so many guys salty. That's the best part. We even got a user locked. I still have the logs and the screenshot. We got a user locked. You guys are all my subscribers, all my people who love my content, who watch my content are so powerful, guys. This is why this is gonna be a very successful series. Your favorite Pokemon, I use it. I mean, I expect to get more stuff like this. More. Give me more, everyone. Give me more. Come on. Let's get to 5K and we'll spice it up more. We will do this in UU. Then we'll go in. Imagine we are doing this in OU. We'll again do something. Now, comment only Hitmons in UU in RU. We will do that. Only Hitmons in UU RU. We hit the 5k and watch what happens. When we hit the 5k, things are gonna get to the next level. But I think this is, I mean, you have to leave a like for this. You have to leave a like for this. Yeah, I can't accept dislikes and no likes. Watching this and no like. Almost deserved in work. So last shout outs to the guys today. Spaghetti's Ravage Blades absolutely destroyed everyone. Spaghetti, my homie Spaghetti. Then we have Noob Ursaring, one more homie. Noob Ursaring. Just destroyed. KO'd a slow blow from full. First game saved my back. Yeah. J00 Fizz Jirachi got a user locked. My homie Jirachi got a user locked. He couldn't resist. T-Wave the Thunder Para the gang. He couldn't resist. Oh my god. Justin, my boy! Justin, my boy! Justin, my highlight of the day. Justin hasn't put work the entire life, but Justin is like, it's like you play, let's say in a game, let's say in a long series of games, there are a total of 10 games to be played. You played 9 games and you absolutely zero performance. In the last game, you played so much that people forgot about the rest and all are cheering on him. That is like Justin. Justin has done nothing the entire life, but Justin only came in the spotlight once and gave us everything. Just killed the life, killed. Justin the GOAT. Yeah, still the game is still visible. Justin the GOAT. Look at this boy about to devour this Tangrowth. I bet close combat killed. Close combat killed this Tangrowth. Justin about to devour. Okay, let's move on to next one. I think we are left with Shrikant. Oh my god. That flamethrower ice beam defensive, bro. that made that guy so salty. Absolute goated live today. Hilarious live. Hilarious. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Shrikant. Thanks, Justin. Thanks, Spaghetti. Thanks, Noob, and thanks J005, and thanks Blim for the Glitchcore. Yeah, so thanks to everyone and all of you. So episode 3. So this is episode 2. Also episode 3 will be up shortly. Thanks a lot for commenting. Thanks a lot for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Have an amazing day, guys. Everyone, stay safe, guys. Bye bye.